Welcome to the Entrepreneur Evolution Podcast. This is our Entrepreneur Express Tip episode. I'm your host, Annette Walter, and this is the place where I share weekly business tips in 5 minutes or less to help you regroup from your week and prepare to launch into next week. Let's get started. Hi there, entrepreneur. Welcome to this week's episode of the Entrepreneur Evolution Podcast. I'm your host, Annette Walter. I'm an operational strategist, business growth coach, and growth-minded entrepreneur just like you, scaling 2 businesses on the national level. Today's our express tip, and we are talking about saying yes inside your yeses. And I know that sounds a little crazy, but just stick with me here, okay? I want you to think about your clients, your A++ clients, okay? These are your low maintenance, high profit clients. If you've worked with me and done some coaching, you know how we categorize different clients into high maintenance, low maintenance, high profit, low profit, and the different categories within those different subject areas, okay? So right now, think about your rockstar clients, your dream clients, and I want you to step inside and look at what you are saying yes to with these clients, okay? Oftentimes you will do anything for these clients. They are your favorites. They are the ones that are amazing and you want more of them, okay? But I want you to be aware of what you are saying yes to, because what happens with our A++ clients is we say yes. We bend our boundaries, we bend our barriers, we kind of break our own rules to accommodate them because we do enjoy working with them and like them so much, okay? So I want you to say, all right, well, the other day he did cancel on me and then he did cancel next week and I said yes to it. What's your cancellation policy, okay? You might be thinking like, well, he didn't pay me on time, but he said he's good for it. And I just let it slide because it's him and I like him and it's familiar and I'm going to let that slide. What happens is when you keep on saying yes and accommodating your A++ clients outside of your typical protocol, process, and boundaries, they start to become your non-favorite clients. They start to become C and D clients, okay? They start to become high maintenance, low profit clients, okay? And you start to really have some resentment and they turn into your biggest PITA, which if you know me, you know that acronym, pain in the you-know-what, clients, okay? So I know you're having an aha moment right now of saying, gosh, this person really was like my dream, perfect client, started off, and now I can't even answer the phone when they call. I don't know what to do. And guess what? We let that happen. We made that happen. We stepped out of our boundaries. We didn't follow our process and protocol. We bent the rules too many times. And now that A+ client has turned into one of your C and D clients. That is really important. So I want you to take a look right now at all your A++ clients. Make sure you are realigning with them. Make sure you are communicating in a fair manner so that they respect and continue to respect your process and your expertise and your offerings so that you can continue to treat them and show up for them like they are the rockstar A+ clients that you know they are and that they deserve getting that from you and all of you. Okay? That's the tip today. I know it's kind of a big topic to throw at you in 5 minutes. Most of these topics are, but the point of this podcast is to make sure that you are getting quick hits of information and quick bite-sized capsules to give you a little pep in the step, give you with friendly reminders, and just help you along the way. I'm really proud of you, entrepreneur. I have a few private coaching spots set up for the summer months or available for the summer months. And as always, our group, our Entrepreneur Evolution Empowerment Group and our Business Builder Group Masterminds are available if you want to learn more about those. Accountability, consistency, discipline, showing up, okay? Working on yourself and your leadership is what we need to keep on doing. You are doing it, entrepreneur. I see you. I get you. I am so proud of you. Keep evolving. I'll talk to you soon.